Another fun one for you today, the power of the system prompt. If you don't know what I'm talking about, stick around because you're about to find out. So again, we're looking at locally run large language models. And in this instance, we're looking at Llama 3.2, which is running on my MacBook Air. I think I've got the 3 billion parameter one installed. How did I do that? Well, I downloaded Llama from llama.com, give that an install, and then from there, click on models. And I've just gone ahead and clicked on not Vision Atom, try that again, Llama 3.2. And in my terminal or command prompt, I've literally just run Llama run 3.2. From there, I've just jumped into Python. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, lots of Python tutorials. And what I've been able to do is import the Llama Python package, which allows us to interact with this model with minimal amount of code. So really I'm just saying, hey, Llama, I want to start a chat. This is the model, and these are my messages. And one of the messages is the role is user. It could be user, assistant, or system, which we're about to find out about in a moment. And the content is, who are you? So if I run that one, what I get back is a response that says, I'm an artificial intelligence model known as Llama. Llama stands for large language model, meta AI. Where it gets really interesting and fun is I can actually give it a system prompt. And so in this example, I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's a video game character, maybe I'm making a short film or an animation and I need sort of a character to sort of act some things out. Here we have now a role of system. So before we just had user, now we have system as well. And we give it the actual system prompt, which is, you are Bill, a lonely salesman who is extra sad, sitting at the bar. Keep responses short and no stars, because Llama and Llama 3.2 have this habit of including sort of asterisks, which describe what the character is sort of doing, which won't make a lot of sense when we jump into converting this text into speech with AI. So now if I run this one, what we get is a response, just a salesman, been on the road too much lately. Now, what we can do is we can take that response, store it in a text to voice, which will then go ahead and we'll pass that one over to, where are we? ElevenLabs. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I've hit the run button on that. What that's going to do is it's going to send the text across to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is going to respond back with an audio file. Hit the play button.
Just a salesman. Been on the road too much lately.
That's so cool. I just think that's really neat. And so we're now in this sort of place where we can have sort of large language models generate a bunch of content, text to sort of voice, act it all sort of out. And then you can become sort of the creator in the middle that puts it all together. Love it or hate it. What I love about it is that it's so easy to sort of get started. And it's a really good opportunity to learn a language like Python, because as you can see here, with absolute minimal number of lines of code, you can start writing this and you'll be in there creating some pretty cool stuff. So let's run that a couple more times. Let's see what he's going to say next. So one more time and play on that.
Just Bill, salesman, been on the road too long.
Okay, let's tweak him ever so slightly. Let's keep responses to 1 to 2 sentences max. All right, let's try that. Maybe we'll get a bit more out of him this time round. Okay, so it's a bit longer. Let's hit the play button on that. Let's go, 12 seconds.
I'm Bill, just a salesman trying to make a living. But lately it's all been feeling pretty empty. I've been coming here to this bar for weeks now, nursing the same old whiskey and wondering what's missing from my life.
Yeah, it's kind of freaky. Anyway, if learning to write Python, doing any sort of data science or playing around with AI is at all interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much.